Guys, what is this? Please. I was just on my way home and the bike is dying. Why? What's going on? Please. Oh, come on, guys. I just picked this up. Oh, please. Oh, God. Guys, come on. I can't believe it. Oh, fuck. What is this? What is this? It literally just died on me. I did nothing. Air filter looks fine. It literally just shut off on me. And the struggles continue. I mean, I don't have a light that would be strange if I was out of gas and the light wouldn't show it, but that would be the best case scenario. Oh God. I can't really see in there. Ich bin die Autobahnauffahrt hochgefahren und auf einmal mittendrin einfach Peng aus. Ja, die Kontrollleuchte leuchtet nicht und ich habe schon überlegt, ob die Kontrollleuchte im Arsch ist oder so, aber... Ja, wenn du da wackelst, weil wir sind beide vom Fach, wenn du da wackelst... Ich habe schon gewackelt, da kommt auch nichts und ich habe auch vorher mit der GoPro aufgenommen, habe mir die Aufnahmen angeguckt und da hat auch nichts geleuchtet. Und wenn ihr Fachleute seid, ich habe die heute bei vor ein paar Stunden vom 10.000er Service abgeholt. Also die kommt gerade frisch aus dem Service und ja.
Weil wir fahren selber Rennen und so, weißt du, wir sind von...
Ja, ich sehe es.
Der fährt Europameisterschaft.
Ey, echt? Cool. Ja, das ist ja super. Da habe ich ja Glück, dass ich euch treffe, aber... Also ich fahre eigentlich auch Enduro, XC und so, da verstehe ich auch mehr davon, aber...
Und wenn du die...
einmal auf die Seite gelegt, dass vielleicht das Benzin halt...
Da ist aber was drin.
Der Sprithahn ist an.
Ja, die hat gar keinen Sprithahn. Aber ist gut gedacht, aber die hat keinen. Ja, guys. What can I say? I'm walking back to the bike. It's over there. I just had to walk over there so I can tell the KTM mobility service at what kilometer I am of the highway. So they're gonna come and pick up the bike now. Luckily it's still within the period of the guarantee where KTM will take care of the picking up and everything, so I'm quite happy with that. Luckily that service exists. But man, this is disappointing. It's just so like, I mean, I've only had problems since I got this bike, and it's so strange that you all heard me say it in the last video already. I don't know why. I don't know why. I never had any issues with KTM, and I don't want to, you know, make them look bad, because I mean I used to be actually a true kind of KTM fanboy, I guess you could say, you know, because all my bikes are KTM, because I just always thought they were doing such a great job, and that's what they were doing. But what is this now? Like, first it's running perfect, you guys saw it, everything is normal, and then it just dies out of nowhere, and I can't get it back running again. Yeah, anyway, that's the update for now. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Do you guys realize what's happening? Yep, I'm sitting on the Duke again. The same Duke that I came today to the KTM store with to pick up my bike. And now I'm going back home with it again. I had an amazing driver who picked me up from the highway, so props to you, you're amazing, thanks for being an awesome driver. He also made it within under an hour, which I think is impressive, because I've heard that these things can sometimes take much longer. So yeah, I guess I still got kind of lucky with that. He rides a bike himself as well, Kawasaki rider. But at the end of the day, I'm pretty bummed out to be sitting back on this bike, guys. The guys at KTM, I mean, it's like 8 p.m. already, around that time. And I got really lucky because there was still someone in the garage working on their own bike. And again, like, he was super nice, you know. I can't really blame them. He, you know, really took a look at the bike with me and tried to figure it out for a moment. And yeah, I mean, he also gave me this bike at 8 p.m. to still ride home with it. So that's the kind of service and attitude I'm used to from KTM. But I am not used to all the other shit that's happening right now. And I don't know why my bike is done the same day that I pick it up from the service. Like, that's really strange. So we couldn't figure it out right then and there. There are some initial theories, but yeah, it could be anything right now. So he will have a thorough look tomorrow, and then they will let me know. They have my number, they'll call me. I will update you guys on what's happening as well, of course. And I hope there will be some more positive content coming very soon. I'm sure we'll figure it out. The guys at KTM are very cooperative and nice usually, so I'm not that worried about that. But yeah, still sucks at the end of the day. Anyway, if you got any value out of this, which you probably didn't, like and subscribe, or just do it anyway, just out of pity for me. Just leave a like, just subscribe to my channel, guys. It's a difficult life that I'm living right now. Okay, I'm gonna shut up, and peace.